Now, let's talk about alignment and spacing. This is one thing that most designers ignore totally. Many people get fixated on learning color theory or learning how to cut off images or anything, learning the blend modes and all. But then you realize that the space between one test to the other, it's like 30% and 70%, which doesn't really make your design look nice. If you really want to kill it with your design, make sure that you're paying attention to spacing, you're paying attention to alignment. And here's a few ways that you can actually get this done. Make sure that you're always using grid. If you're using a software like Photoshop, you can go to view and then set your grids so that you can make sure that things are in position. You can as well use rulers to make sure that your test or the shapes that you set are on the same level. Make use of padding and margins as well. Leave spaces between objects, fonts, and anything on your design. Make sure that your design is aligned and is breathing. If I look at your design and you've got all the colors and the color theory and everything correct, and if I look at your test, one is here, the spacing between your test, one is like 30% spaced out and the other one is like 70% spaced out. It doesn't really speak well of your design. So pay attention to your alignment. Even if possible, zoom in and squint very well to make sure that everything is perfectly aligned. Because the moment you see that your design is having like identity crisis, know that your alignment is not in check. So pay attention to that.